Changing the oil supply on an SEM shredder is a simple process. Remove the empty 1-gallon jug from the mounting bracket and unclip the oil tube. Uncap the full gallon of oil, then remove the combination cap and straw from the empty gallon. Insert it into the new gallon and twist to tighten securely. Hang the full gallon on the mounting bracket and then reconnect the oil tube. Recycle the empty jug in your regular plastic waste stream. With the shredder turned on, prime the system by pressing and holding the reverse button. The oil light will illuminate, ensuring that the automatic oiler is functioning properly.